Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unboxing by Ashna. Today we'll be unboxing the April 2021 Boxy Charm box. This month's theme is Easter. The first item in our box is Ayana Eyeshadow Palette by Natasha. This palette comes with 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool toned shades, with 4 of the 5 shades being browns and the 5th is a metallic green color. This palette is designed for everyday makeup. The retail price for this item is $48. Next, for $21 is the Liquid Luxe lip gloss by Illuminati Cosmetics. This is a shimmer lip gloss that you can add on top of your lipstick to give it a shimmery look. The next item is Dragonfire Color Corrector by Dragon Beauty. For $25, this color corrector comes in the color lavender and is designed to conceal and correct dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. It is also infused with vitamin E and A and has light to full coverage. The fourth item that we have is the Aurora Superfood Oil by Earth Harbor Naturals. This serum is made with grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. It also includes sea greens and cannabis sativa heme oil to soothe your skin while giving it a dewy look. Lastly, we have the Plucking Set 2-piece tweezer set by Manakadar Beauty. This tweezer set retails for $18 and comes with 2 different tweezers. One is slanted for precise plucking and the other is pointed to easily pick out one hair in a large area. That's all that came in the April 2021 box. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more unboxing videos. Bye bye!